These pegs control the solve in the IQ Twist puzzle. Match the placement of the pegs to the challenge on the card. Take these pieces and match them to the color of peg they sit over top of. This is the IQ Twist packing puzzle. There is 5 different difficulty levels. Today we're going to be going through 3 of them. We can place yellow on the bottom. We can have green up top. Place red above the green. Take blue and place it over top of that peg. You can take yellow and place it over here. You can take green and place it on the bottom, but unfortunately we do not have a spot for this last red piece. Instead, take the yellow piece, flip it over, and lastly we can place the red L right there. Level 53, we need the blue pegs in 2B and 2C, the yellow pegs in 6C and 5D, and lastly the green pegs in 8B and 8C. And we're not using this red peg, so place it in the top of the board. This yellow piece, placing it here. Take this green piece and place it on the bottom. Next, this green piece can sit over here. Then we can use the L shape on top of that. On this side, we can use the blue piece. Then we can place the blue line on top. Next, take the red piece and place it in here, but unfortunately we do not have a spot for this yellow. Instead, take these blue pieces out and we're going to use both of these blue pieces over top of the pegs. Taking this blue piece, place it up top, flip the red piece and place it in the top of the board. You can take the blue piece and place it over top of that peg, and lastly the yellow piece can go on the bottom. To see more cool puzzles like this, click that subscribe button. In level 76, we can take this blue piece, placing it on the bottom. Next, we could take this green piece and place it over top of there. Then we can take the red piece, placing it over top of there. On top of this, we can use the red piece, and we can take the green piece and place it there. This blue piece can go over here. This yellow piece can go on the bottom, but unfortunately we do not have a spot for this yellow piece. Instead, take this red piece and flip it up to the top. Take this green piece and flip it in. Take this yellow piece, placing it over here. Take this blue piece and flip it over. We can now place this yellow piece in the center of the puzzle, and lastly this red piece on the bottom of the board. To get the IQ Twist puzzle, go check it out at puzzlemaster.ca.